Good morning, grade 7s. We are starting our final unit of the school year, and that is probability. So we have 5 sections to go through, and that'll be it. We are going to do 2 this week, starting with 5.1. After this lesson, you will be able to find the probability of an event in several different ways. Give answers as probabilities for 0% to 100%. Okay, so outcomes. I'm going to give you some key terms, and these are the definitions. So outcomes are the possible events that could occur in a probability experiment. So here, what are the possible outcomes for this spinner? Well, if we look at this spinner, our possible outcomes are green, red, orange, and blue. So how many are there? 4 possible outcomes. 1 is blue, green, yellow, and red. Favorable outcome. So a favorable outcome is the event that you are looking to occur in a probability experiment. So for example, how many outcomes will give me the outcome that I want? And if I want outcome of green, how many could I get? 1. Red and yellow. Can I get red and yellow together? No, 0. Blue or red. So that's landing on blue or red. 2. Okay, so probability, and in brackets, of your event. So whatever you're looking for the probability of whatever you are looking for will be in brackets next to P or probability. So probability of the event equals the number of favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. And thinking back, favorable outcomes is what you want to get, and possible outcomes is the total that you can get. So what is the probability of the spinner landing on red? How we write this out is we write short form P bracket red, which is what we are looking for. And the chances of spinning red are 1, red, out of, over. This means out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what we get there. What are the possible outcomes of rolling a die? So looking at this, if we have a regular good old-fashioned die, our possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what is the probability of rolling a 6? So we got to show our work using P bracket, and we're looking for a 6 equals, and I will write out favorable outcomes over possible outcomes, just as a refresher. So that would be the number of favorable outcomes, we're looking for 6, 1, and the number of possible, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a 1 in 6 chance. If Susie wants to pick a blue marble from the cup, what is the probability of this event taking place? So again, probability, capital P, bracket, blue, equals fave outcome over possible outcomes. So how many favorable outcomes is what we are looking for? So we're looking for blue. So that is 2 out of the number of possible outcomes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 out of 10 chance. What can we do with this number? I know I can't hear you, but I want you to say it out loud. That's right, we can reduce it. So we have a 1 in 5 chance. 1/5. All right. We can express probability in 3 different ways: as a fraction, a ratio, or a percent. So using the same question, the probability of getting blue as a fraction is 2 out of 10, which also equals, because you know we always like to reduce, and as a ratio, that could be like this, 2 to 10. That represents 2. And percent, well, 2 over 10 is 2/10, or 20%. All right, that's it for the first section. I want you to go to your textbook and do these practice questions. So that would be page 162 to 164. The red question bank is if you're kind of feeling not super confident about this. These are the ones I want you to for sure be able to get done. Yellow is you're feeling okay about it, pretty good. I want you to do these ones, challenge yourself a little bit. And the green means forget about it. This is easy. No problem. I want you to do these questions. You are welcome to do all of them if you would like for practice, but I definitely want you to be able to do the red. I'm also going to post one last thing so that I can see what you're doing, because I really look at those ones. These ones right here, these practice questions, I want you to mark on your own using the back of your book. And please submit your completed and marked work to me on the assignment on Classroom, which I will post, and it will be due by Thursday. Thanks. Have a good day.